Here I've got Hammer Iron Free, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings right here, then find and select accounts, and as you can see we are currently logged in with Google account, so just mark it. And if you would like to remove this account, just click on remove account and confirm it by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, your account disappeared and now it's no longer connected with your Iron Free. Then whenever you would like to log in with your Google account again, or maybe you are doing it for the first time, just open the settings, find and select accounts, click on add account, and here you can smoothly do it by tapping on Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account, and then enter an email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address, and then click on next. Now enter the password. I will do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on next. And here we've got all Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. And click on accept to finish the whole operation. That's it. As you can see, you've just added Google account to your device, to your Iron Free, and you can use all the features connected with it. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.